ओम विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारणे निर्विशेषण पश्चादेष्टाणे। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। ओम अज्ञानतिमिरस्य ज्ञानांजन शलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितमेन तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। So today, friends, we are reading chapter 3 from Bhagavad Gita, Karma Yoga. Arjuna Uvacha जायसी चेत कर्म कर्मणस्ते मता बुद्धि जनार्दन तद किम कर्माणि घोरे माम नियोज जयसी केशवा. Arjun said, "O Janardana, O Keshava, why do you want to engage me in this ghastly warfare if you think that intelligence is better than fruitive work?" Vyamishre नेव वाक्येन बुद्धि मोयसीव मे तदेकं वद निश्चिन्त्य येन श्रेयो अहमानुमाप्नुयाम्. My intelligence is bewildered by your equivocal instruction. Therefore, please tell me decisively which will be most beneficial for me. Shri Bhagavan Uvacha. लोको अस्मिन् द्विधा निष्ठा पुरा प्रोक्त भवान् च ज्ञान योगेन सांख्यानां कर्म योगेन योगिनां. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, "O sinless Arjuna, I have already explained that there are two classes of men who try to realize the self. Some are inclined to understand it by empirical philosophical speculation and other by devotional service. न कर्मणा मना रंभान नेश कर्म पुरुष अशुन्नते न च सत्यस नादेव सिद्धि समधिगच्छति. Nor by merely abstaining from work can one achieve freedom from reaction, nor by renunciation alone can one attain perfection. Nahi kashit kshanamapi jatu tishthas karyakrut karyate hashavasha karma sarva prakriti je gune. Everyone is forced to act helplessly according to qualities he has acquired from the modes of material nature. Therefore, no one can refrain from doing something, not even for a moment. कर्मेंद्रियाणि सम्मस्य य आस्ते मनसा स्मरन् इंद्रियार्थार्थ विमूढ़ात्मा मिथ्याचार स उच्यते. One who restrains the senses of action but whose mind dwells on sense objects certainly deludes himself and is called pretender. यस्ति वन्द्रियाणि मनसा नियम्य रमते अर्जुन कर्मेन्द्रिय कर्मयोगम असक्त स विशिष्यते. On other hand, if a sincere person tries to control the active senses by the mind and begin karma yoga in Krishna consciousness without attachment, he is by far superior. नियतं कुरु कर्मत्वं कर्म ज्ञातो कर्मण शरीरा यात्रापि चते न प्रसिद्धेद कर्मण. Perform your prescribed duty, for being so is better than not working. One cannot even maintain one's physical body without work. यज्ञार्थात् कर्मणो अत्यत्र लोको अयम कर्म बंधन तदथर कर्म कौन्तेय मुक्त संग समाचर. Work done as a sacrifice for Vishnu has to be performed. Otherwise, work causes bondage in this material world. Therefore, O son of Kunti, perform your prescribed duties for his satisfaction, and is that way you will always remain free from bondage. सह यज्ञा प्रज्ञा सृष्टा पुरोवाच प्रजापति अनेन प्रसव्यपध्यमेष वो अस्विष्टक्रामधु. In the beginning of creation, the Lord of all creation sent forth generation of men and demigods along with sacrifices for Vishnu, and blessed them by saying, be thou happy by this yajna sacrifice, because its performance will bestow upon you everything desirable for living happily and achieving liberation. देवान भावयतानेन ते देव भावयन्तु परस्परं भावयन्त श्रेय परमवाप्यसस. The demigods, being pleased by sacrifice, will also please you, and thus by cooperation between men and demigods, propriety will reign for all. इष्टान भोगान ही वो देवा दास्यन्ते यज्ञ भाविता तेर्दत्तान प्रवयोभ्यो यो मुक्ते सतेन एव न. In charge of various necessities of life, the demigods, being satisfied by the performance of yajna sacrifice, will supply all necessity to you. But he who enjoys such a gift without offering them to demigod in return is certainly a thief. Yajna sishtasina santo muchyante sarva kilbisham bhujyante te tvatva papam te pachantya makaranat. The devotees of the Lord are released from all kind of sin because they eat food which is offered first for sacrifice. Otherwise, who prepare food for personal sense enjoyment verily eat only sin. अन्नात् भवति भूतानि पर्जन्यात् प्रसंभव यज्ञात् भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञ कर्म समुद्भव. All living bodies subsist on food grains which are produced from rains. Rains are produced by performance of yajna, sacrifice, and yajna is born of prescribed duties. कर्म ब्रह्मो दभो विद्धि ब्रह्माक्षरम मुद्भवम तस्मात् सर्वगतं ब्रह्म नित्यं यज्ञे प्रतिष्ठितम्. Regulated activities are prescribed in Vedas, and Vedas are directly manifested from the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Consequently, the all-pervading transcendental is eternally situated in act of sacrifice. Evam pravartitam chakram nanuva एवं प्रवर्तितं चक्र